I'm Anthony Dsilva from Ambili. Today I read a report that the Goa crime branch is trying to close down the matter. The file is being shut down on young girl Sidhi Naik. August 12, 2021, I learned that a young girl was found dead on the beach in Kalangut. And the police, in a lightning speed, declared that girl has committed suicide. Shocking it was. But yet, to give the benefit of doubt to the higher up officials, the questions asked were, was there any investigation done? Because circumstantial evidences showed that it was not a suicide because of certain manner in which the body was found. Later on, of course, it was registered as a UD. Later on, a post-mortem report mentioned that it was asphyxia due to drowning. But as a common person like me, understand, asphyxia due to drowning does not give a clean sheet to say it is a suicide. Asphyxia due to drowning in post-mortem could also come of a person who has been forcibly drowned or a person who has been beaten up mercilessly or is suffocated and then thrown into the waters. Possible, lot of things. Or if somebody is forced to drink excess water under threats. Possible. Let me leave that there because the case has moved ahead. But the benefit of doubt is the police should have taken that a case of a child like this should have been looked into that angle of murder since the body was found on the beach, not in the house at least. I can understand that if there is such a case of supposed to be a suicide inside a room, inside a house, which also, of course, should be investigated, no doubt about it. But this is something which has gone beyond and much far away from the place of residence. So, the needle of suspicion or the investigation should have started right from that minute into the angle of murder. They should have given a clean sheet against that murder after investigation. But the clean sheet was given saying that it was a suicide. Later on, due to pressure, the police personnel registered the case as murder. So that underlines everything now. Now, police has registered it as a murder. It may be under pressure or not from the public. But I don't think police should be working under pressure from the public. If that happens, then we have a republic place of, I don't know what we call that, but it's like maybe like Uganda or something else, where some 25 people come together and then they tell you to do something, register a case, and the police register a case as a murder. Tomorrow 100 people will go and then they'll tell you to demolish something and you have to demolish it. Does it work like that? No. So let me consider the police did not work under pressure. The police personnel applied their mind, so they registered it as a murder. So now the question is closed. The answer is it's a murder as per the police. But they have registered it as a murder. Now what remains, the fill in the blanks is who is behind this murder or who has murdered. Now the police tried to investigate it through the Goa crime branch. They investigated. They have done a lot of hard work, no doubt about it. But due to many hundreds of reasons, they could not find the murderers, or they could not get the witnesses, or they could not get circumstantial evidences against any person. Agreed. And so, what next step could have been done, from my point of view as a civilian, is I would have recommended it or request that this matter should have gone to the higher-ups. Our authority may be working with scientific temperaments, our authority who has more agencies under them. They have hold a lot of other institutions through which they could trace the murderers or the people who are behind this murder. Like maybe, for example, I am not very so sure the hierarchy after Goa Crime Branch, but maybe a CBI like a agency. Instead of going to the court or telling the police, giving the matter in the hands of the court and saying that let the court decide. If like this every matter is going to be sent to the court, the burden on the courts increases day by day. As it is, our courts are burdened with piles of matters which are not settled for ages. So instead of just pushing it to the courts and washing our hands and keeping many police stations clean, which is being done in many police stations, some of the police personnel, they push the matters to the court to show that they are holier than thou. So, my humble request, even though this matter is being advised to be given by the courts, I request the honorable courts to see, apply the mind and check if this matter can still be reconsidered for higher investigation. My only sincere request for this, a baby, a child, a daughter of Goa, Sidhi Naik, to give justice as far as possible. May God bless her soul, and may God bless all our police personnel, the Goa Crime Branch, the courts who may be looking into this matter and the future of this case. Dev Bare Koru.